this video, I'm going to show you how can you create chaos video effect in CapCut PC. Right, so you can select your videos, photos, or just images to the track, and you are just going to select effect, and then you can select distortion, and you can select chaos. So this is new effect from CapCut, and this is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. So add to the track, and you can make it shorter according to duration clips, and so you're just going to copy paste, put on top the clip. All right. So after done, you are just going to select transition and select place swing right to all the clips, and you can add a more effect. For example, select camera shot. Yes. So you can see for the final result. Alright, that's how you can create this effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.